Did you know that a recent survey revealed that over 80% of women have experienced some form of travel-related anxiety? Traveling, while exhilarating, can present unique challenges, especially for women. That's why mastering a few essential travel hacks can make a world of difference. Being prepared is key to a smooth and enjoyable journey. Imagine this. You're at the airport, your flight is delayed, and you've already finished your book. Having a backup plan, like downloading a podcast or packing a travel game, can transform those moments of potential stress into pockets of relaxation. This proactive approach to travel, anticipating potential hiccups and packing accordingly, is the foundation of smart, savvy travel. Think about the last time you struggled to fit everything into your suitcase. Now, imagine effortlessly zipping your bag, feeling confident that you have everything you need without the extra weight. That's the power of efficient packing. From using packing cubes to rolling your clothes, these simple yet effective techniques can revolutionize your travel experience. Safety is paramount, and there are numerous discreet measures women can take to enhance their well-being while on the road. Sharing your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member is a simple yet powerful step. This ensures someone knows your whereabouts throughout your journey. Always opt for well-lit and populated areas, especially at night. Trust your instincts. If a situation feels unsafe, it probably is. Don't hesitate to remove yourself or seek assistance. Consider investing in a personal safety alarm or learning basic self-defense techniques. These proactive measures can provide an added layer of security and peace of mind. Remember, your safety is your responsibility. Packing light is a game changer. It starts with strategic planning. Lay out everything you think you need, then ruthlessly edit it down. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Packing cubes are a traveler's best friend. They compress your clothes and keep your suitcase organized. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Toiletries can take up valuable space. Opt for travel-sized containers or consider solid toiletries to save space and weight. While planning is crucial, the most valuable travel hack is embracing flexibility. Not everything will go according to plan, and that's okay. In fact, some of the most memorable travel experiences come from unexpected detours. Don't be afraid to deviate from your itinerary. Get lost in a new city, strike up a conversation with a local, or try a dish you've never heard of. These spontaneous moments often lead to the most enriching and unforgettable travel stories. Remember, travel is about embracing the unknown and opening yourself up to new experiences. So pack your sense of adventure, your willingness to adapt, and get ready for the journey of a lifetime. Share your favorite travel hacks and happy travels.